This is Tanya here from EduTV, and today we have with us Mr. Vishwanath Ghanekar, who is the General Manager at Duck Learning Systems. Sir, thank you for giving us your time. I would want to understand from you, Duck Learning Systems. What I understand is it is into education service provider for schools and educational institutions for STEM learning. So, considering STEM learning is actually something which is in these days, what are your exact offerings for the schools and institutions, please?
First of all, thank you so much and I'm glad that I'm talking to you. And just to give you a brief of what Duck Learning is. Duck Learning is an organization started about 12 years ago in Singapore. Our headquarters is in Singapore. And we started as a teachers training organization for the schools teachers in Singapore, and we were doing the leadership training, soft skill training for the teachers. And about 9 years ago, we started into STEM education. We became the official partner of Lego Education in Singapore, and that's how the our journey into STEM education started. And in India, we established in 2016 as again an exclusive partner for Lego Education in India, and focusing purely on K-12 domain. And we our prime offering is to the schools. Okay. Uh, Thereafter, we became the partner of several other resources from worldwide. They are like Arduino, there is Kubo, there is Sam Labs, there is Strawbees, and we started offering a variety of resources. All are hands-on, of course. All are hands-on learning resources for the schools. And our core offering to the school is, of course, the hands-on learning kits, teachers training, and also the curriculum and lesson plans, so that teachers doesn't need to prepare themselves to go to the class and teach STEM, or you can say robotics, or you can say coding. It is all systematically developed with a proper framework. The lesson plans are designed for each of our learning resources, and we enable teachers by providing them the comprehensive teacher training, so that they can implement lesson plans step by step into the respective grades or divisions. And our most important factor in training is also the classroom management, because when you interact with the students, when you have an interface with the students, students, when they see hands-on resources, they try to pounce on that. And it is very, very important for them to know how the lessons has to be done into the classroom. So classroom management is very, very important factor in our offerings to the schools. We also help teachers with some of the rules in the classroom, what they should do, like hands on and hands off. So when the teacher is discussing about the topic, students should focus entirely on what teacher is going to teach, or what activity they are going to do in the classroom. So which is very, very important. And one more important offering from Duck Learning to the schools, or for STEM education, is we are the official organizers of a competition or a championship which is called First Lego League. It is a global competition, and we organize First Lego League India West in Mumbai every January. And for that, each year, the season's challenge is announced in the August of the previous year, on the 1st August of the previous year. This year, unfortunately, we could not organize the First Lego League because of the ongoing pandemic. But we will be organizing the next First Lego League in January 2022. last year we had about 100 teams coming all over from Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa, even from West Bengal came and participated. So there is an international progression for this competition. So the winner of the FLL India West is represent the country into the World Festival, which happens in Houston in USA. So which is a very, very important aspect of this competition, or we call this as a learning journey for students. This championship is organized from age 4 to age 16. So there are three categories within this competition, and within these three categories, several teams comes and participate in this championship. So that is what we offer as a wholesome package to the school, not just the resources or not just the training or not just the lesson plans, but we offer resources, training, lesson plans, and competition, all
Right.
four of them,
Right.
which is why we were able to roll out our program over 500 schools as of now and growing.